Alright guys, just a quick video to show you how the rad M1 M2 button looks like on the steering wheel, and also rad push to start button. So yeah, this is how the rad buttons look. I think looks pretty dope, considering my car is secure orange. Kind of matches. So yeah, here's the close-up. They look pretty clean. The quality is pretty decent here. Yeah, pretty decent looking plastic. I'm satisfied. Just a little small upgrade. And then close up on the start. So I like this one. It looks pretty cool in the dark. Lights up pretty well. I wanted something different. You see the little, almost like crystals looking inside. And then it looks to be pretty decent quality as well. Not complaining. I like it better than the original. I do. Look at this angle. Looks pretty dope, honestly. And then from the top, yeah, almost like a mirror. Yeah, definitely worth picking up. I'll leave the Amazon link in the description, and I do earn small commission from the link, affiliate program. So but yeah, this is where I got it from, and it's just Amazon. Everyone trusts Amazon. Yep, hope you like it, and I will see you in the next one.